In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Jotform in Wix. By the end, your form will be live on your Wix page and styled within your site without any custom coding. First, head over to Jotform and sign in. Go to My Forms and select the form you want to add to your site. Look for the Share option, then choose Embed. Here you'll see different ways to place the form on a web page. The two options you need are iframe or embed without scroll. Iframe is the most reliable for most websites because it keeps the form isolated from your site's code, reducing the chance of conflicts. Embed without scroll can be useful if you want the form to appear as part of the page without its own internal scroll bar, but you'll need to make sure the container on your site is tall enough to fit the entire form. Once you've decided which one fits your needs, copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now switch to Wix and log in. Open your site editor and navigate to the page where you want the form to appear. Click Add, then go to Embed, choose Embed a Widget, and select HTML iframe. This creates a placeholder on your page for external content. Click Enter Code, then paste the Jotform embed code you copied earlier. You should see a preview of your form load right inside the editor. Next, resize the HTML box so your form fits comfortably. If you used embed without scroll, make the box tall enough to show the entire form without clipping. If you see extra scroll bars or a cut-off bottom, simply drag the edges of the container until everything is visible. Position it where you want it on the page so it aligns with your layout and other content. When you're happy with the placement and size, click Publish. Wix will update your live site, and your Jotform will now appear on that page. If it doesn't load right away, refresh the published page or double-check that the full code was pasted. If you still notice odd spacing or scroll bars, switching to the iframe option from Jotform usually resolves it. That's it. You copied the Jotform embed code, added an HTML iframe in Wix, pasted the code, resized the container, and published your site. Your form is now live and ready to collect responses directly on your Wix page.